Hello again, my friends of KO1 on this marvelous Monday, May 11th. This is our math lesson. So for today in math, we are going to be on Unit 6, Module 2, Session 5. And remember, friends, I told you that we're going to kind of be jumping around. So you might see our sessions and our modules change every couple of days. And that doesn't mean like you missed anything. It's just that we're skipping around for the end of this year just because it makes most sense. Okay? So today's session is called Make It 5. And we're going to play another game. And that's what it's called. It's called Make It 5. And you are going to, or we're going to quickly review 3D shapes. And we're also going to practice fluency to 5 in today's lesson. Okay? And just so you guys know, by the end of kindergarten, so at the end of June, when we kind of say bye to you, even though we're not in front of you, and you go to first grade next year, you should know any combinations to get to 5 by the end of the school year. So all the different ways to make 5. All right, so just think about that. Just think about, hopefully you guys will be able, or you hopefully know already, all the different ways you can make 5. All right, let's go to our I can statements. I can count numbers one by one, saying the numbers in order and pairing each object with a number name. I can fluently add sums to 5. Sums means addition, so it means the plus sign. And I can decompose numbers that are less than or equal to 10 in pairs and in more than one way. And I can recognize the number of objects in a group of 6 or fewer. So if you could let your arrows go, that would be great. So I have 4 I can statements up there today. We're going to be practicing counting. We're going to be practicing fluency. We're going to be practicing taking apart numbers. And of course, we're quickly going to be looking at the 3D shapes. All right. So for today's warm-up, I'm going to flash a 5-frame card, and we're going to have to think of all the ways to make 5. So it's not a 5-frame flash or 10-frame flash. It's just I'm going to show you the 10-frame with 5, filled with 5, so completely full, all the counters in the boxes, so a full 5-frame. And then we're going to quickly have to think about all the ways that we can make 5. All right, you ready? It's not going to be something fast, and it's not like I'm not going to be able to see you, but I want you to all think about this as I am showing you the 5-frame. So here we go. Here is our 5-frame. And on this current 5-frame, it has 5 counters, right? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to think about all the ways that we can make 5. Let's try and do that right now. I'm going to add them right here. So this 5-frame is showing 5 plus nothing is equal to 5. That is one way that we can make 5. You see that, friends? Okay. Let's think of another way to make 5. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. Oh, you know what? Let me actually come over here. I want to show you guys something. Let's see. Not that one. Not that one. Oh, what about this 5-frame card? What is this showing me? How many reds? 2. And how many blues? 3. So is that another way that we could make 5? Yep. 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, let's look at another possible way that we can make 5. Let's go back. Let's see. Oh, look at that, friends. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 reds and 1 blue. That is another way that we can actually make 5. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, we're thinking of all the ways that we can make 5. And we're going to actually look at it here too because we can. Oh, wait a minute. How many reds do you see now? 1, 2, 3. And how many blues? 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Let's go back. 3 plus 2 equals 5. All right, let's see if there's any more ways on our thing here. Oh, look at that. 1 red and 1, 2, 3, 4 blues. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Wow, there's so many ways that we can make 5, but I think there's still a few more. Let's check it out. Let's see. You know what? I don't think so. I actually don't think there are any more ways to make 5. Let's go back. So we have 5 plus 0 is equals 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And there's only one. Oh, no, we did it. We did it. We actually have it. We have all the ways here that we could make 5. All right, so good working with me as we worked through our warm-up. Okay, now we're going to play this new game, okay? And it's called Make It 5. So I'm going to quickly go over what this game means. So you're going to see the spinner, and this is the Make It 5 spinner. And on the spinner, there are different 3D shapes, okay? So you have cubes, you have a cone, you have cylinders, and another cube, another cone, and another cylinder, okay? So when I spin, oh, sorry, friends. When I spin the spinner and it lands on one of these, so say it lands on 2 cubes, I'm going to go to the cube section, find the cube line, and I'm going to put 2 counters on the cube line. Okay? You see how that works? Then I would say, 2 spinners. Now it's going to be one color that we're going to do for each beginning part of the game. Okay? And I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. And then at the end, we're going to try and figure out what the equation is or what the number sentence is to make 5. And the first person to fill up all 3 3D shape lines wins, okay? And again, I always tell you guys, it's not about winning. This is about understanding the difference between the 3D shapes. It is also practicing our counting. It's practicing our fluency within 5, so we're knowing how we can get to 5, okay? So these are all really important skills that you guys have to practice, all right? So let's go and play. And honestly, guys, I wish I had somebody to play with me right now, but I don't. So I'm just going to show you how the game goes. I'm going to be player 1 and player 2. All right? Okay. So Miss Ewan is going to spin. All right. So Miss Ewan landed on 3 cylinders. So I'm going to go up to cylinders. This is what a cylinder looks like. And I'm going to pick red to start. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3 because it told me 3. 3 for the cylinders. All right? So now look, we only have one line so far that's working towards getting to the end. And I only can land on something that tells me 2. All right? I can't land on something that tells me more than. Okay? All right, let's try again. Spin again. Okay, so now let's go down to cubes. Here's my cubes, right? That's a 3D shape, remember? And we are going to go and put 2 counters on. Okay, let's see. Oh, 3. You know what? 3 cylinders. But I can't put up 3 up here because I only have 2. So I have to spin again because I can't fill in more than what's here. Oh, 2 cubes. All right. You know what? I don't know if I can do that. I can't because 2 plus 2 doesn't equal 4. That doesn't make sense. Oh, 4 cones. Look at that, friends. So we got 4 cones. 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so I can only roll a 2 for cylinders, a 3 for cubes, or a 1 for cones. Oh, 3 cubes. Hey, look at that. See? So cubes here, and now I'm going to change my color because I already have 2. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to change my color. And I landed on 3, so I can fill in 3 cubes. And now I have to fill in my equation. So what do we have here? We have 2 plus 3 yellows. And then I'm going to change it to back to black equals 5. Okay? And I know that looks kind of silly, but that's what it is. It's 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, that's 1 filled in. Now we got to try and fill in cylinders or cones or both. Oh, 4 cones, but I can't do 4 because I only have 1 left. Oh, we already did cubes. Cubes is done. 3 cylinders. Oh, no, I only have 2 spaces left. Ooh, 1 cone. Good. So see, I can take my yellow one here, and now I filled up 5 again. So how many do you see? You see 1, 2, 3, 4. You see 4 reds, okay, and 1 yellow. So let's go back to our little pen here, and we're gonna do 4, and then we're gonna change it to 1 because we're gonna, or change it to yellow. So 4 plus 1, and 4 plus 1 is equal to what, my friends? What's it equal to? It is equal to 5. I don't know why that does that sometimes. 5. All right. Now we have to try and figure out, we have to get 2 cylinders here. Okay? So we have to figure out how we're going to get that. Ready? Oh, 3 cubes. We already finished cubes. Cones. 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 Oh, there we go. We got 2 cylinders. So now I'm going to change my color and I'm going to put the 2 cylinders here, or the 2 cubes here, to match up in my 5 frame. Then I'm going to come down to my pen. I'm going to change my pen to red because there are 3 red cubes, right? And then I'm adding, how many am I adding to it? I'm adding 2 to it. That's silly. That looks like nothing, Miss Ewan. Okay, coming over back over here. It is 2, and then it is equal to 5. You see, my friends? So that's how you play the game. You would play with somebody. You would play partner to partner. I was just showing you how to play today. I wasn't really playing against anybody. And the first person that fills in all 3 5 frames wins. And notice how I did an equation. I did a sentence where I was explaining, yes, there are 3 red here, and there are 2 yellow here, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. How else can we make 5? Okay, I rolled it. There are 2 red counters here, plus 3 yellow counters, so 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. You see how I filled it in. And the same goes for the last one. There were 4 to start, 4 reds to start, and then how many more do you need to make 5? 1. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. All right, friends, so that's just a new game that we played today. I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to show you what your assignment is going to be, and I hope that this isn't hard for you. It's just getting you used to fluency and counting and shapes, okay? So here's your math assignment. If you have the Module 2 home connection workbooks for math at home, that's great. Please let me know if you don't have that book. I'm pretty sure that we put all the volume 2s in the packets to go home. But if you don't have one, just let me know. And you know the shape and spinner game that I played with Jason on Friday? Well, it's your turn now. If you have a printer, you can print them out. If not, just read the directions and maybe have mom or dad kind of make up this game board. And you guys can play with a sibling or a friend or a mom or a dad. So that's your first part of your math assignment. And then your second part of your math assignment is to, of course, work on Dreambox for 20 minutes. All right, friends? It's been fun here with you on Marvelous Monday. I hope you have a good rest of your day. I will see you and talk to you soon. Bye, friends.